How to hide and unhide Snapchat chats. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you steps on how you can hide or unhide your chats on Snapchat. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick through this for you. First, let's get straight on how you can hide it, right? So you want to go ahead and open up Snapchat. Then what you can do is you can tap and hold on the particular chat that you would like to hide, right? And then you can see chat and notification settings. If you tap on it here, you'll get the option that is clear from chat feed. And once you tap on it, you can see this will clear the conversation from your chat feed. However, it will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So in order to hide it, you can go ahead and tap on clear and it'll be hidden from your chat list here. So let me show you something at the top here. You can see this particular user, tap on chat and notification settings, clear from chat feed, clear. Now this is it, you can hide it. Now to unhide it, all you can do is you can either search for their particular chat, right? If then username, and you can go ahead and you can send a particular text. And it should be unhidden here. So this is how you can hide or unhide chats on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.